Good day, everyone. The topic for today is the importance of first aid. But what is first aid? First aid is emergency care given immediately to an injured person. As a first aider someday, knowing the importance of first aid is very important because our daily life they cannot excuse that we can encounter the accident that will be used your knowledge of how to give the victim treatment, and the purpose of first aid is to minimize the injured person and the future disability. Now, the importance of first aid is it allows the first aider or the rescuer to provide comfort to the victim. It helps the victim to stabilize his situation or to make the victim relax while giving situation. Having a knowledge of how to treat or to give the victim first aid is very important to minimize the injured and to save life. Thank you for watching.